Welcome to Quill Basics Part 1. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can navigate your Quill scene and Quill menus using your Oculus Touch controllers. To navigate your scene, locate the grip buttons on the bottoms of your controllers. This should be where your middle finger is located. By holding a grip button, you can pan the scene, move the scene, or tilt the scene. You can do this with the grip button on either hand. By holding down both grip buttons together, you can steer the scene or scale the scene by bringing your hands closer together or further apart. You can also scale the scene by using one grip button and the analog stick on that controller to dolly in or out. To open the Quill menu, press the Y button on your left controller. This menu has 6 different tabs that will open up different windows for you to work with. The furthest tab gives you access to the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you can adjust things like dominant hand, haptic feedback, sound effects, or UI color. When you're happy with your changes, press the Save button. To customize your workspace, use the grip button while hovering above the window to grab and pull it apart. While holding one of these windows, try pressing the up and down analog stick to change the size of the window. You can press the Y button again to open or close the menus. By pressing the X button in the corner, the UI will return to your hand.